Yo guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So here we are going to break down today's NQ trade. Okay, so I will show step by step, like basically what I am doing during the trading session. Okay, so I'll I used to start with 4 hour time frame. Okay, so today I just marked the 4 hour inversion FVG here, and we had a 4 hour FVG here. Okay, and this was Asian law and this was London law. I'll show you in lower time frame. Okay, this was actually 4 hour levels. Okay, this was previous day high. Okay, and previous day low. This was previous week low. Okay, and price was reacting from a 4 hour FVG. Okay, and let's move to 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour we were reacting from an 1 hour FVG, and here we had a buy side liquidity. Okay, and this was our 8 a.m. high and 8 a.m. low, and this was London low. Okay, and then let's move to 1 minute time frame, and we can start from here. Okay, okay, so let's move to 1 minute time frame. Okay, and mark the 9:30 open, sorry, 9 o'clock open here, like 9 o'clock candle open here, and 9:30 open here. Okay, let's see. And I just marked this high and this equal highs as well. Okay, okay, and I'll show you. I made a mistake today. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I just noted that 8 a.m. high, 8 a.m. low, and price sweep 8 a.m. high. Okay, and price displaced, and we got momentum shift and breaker block, and here FVG. Okay, and everything. Okay, and you can see FVG here as well. Okay, and I just waited for 9:30 open. Okay, and I just planned one trade here, short from here, stop loss here, and target. Okay, I'll show you. Actually, you can see price tapped and just move to here and then stopped out. Okay, actually this was a mistake. I need to wait at least price to tap the 4 hour FVG. Okay, that the mistake I just learned from this trade. Okay, and you can see uh, yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, then I just waited for another confirmation. Okay, you can see price took the London high. This was London high. Okay, price took London high, and again got a inversion here. Okay, and I just shorted from here and stop loss above. Okay, and my plan was like this: once price close below, then move to break even and target London low. Okay, price broke the structure here, and I just moved to break even. Okay, and price hit my break even. Okay, then I just waited. Okay, price to tap here. Okay, not here, here. Okay, in inversion FVG. Okay, before that I didn't take any trade. Okay, I just waited. Yes, here price tapped the inversion FVG. Okay, and we got a CHD like price. This was the last candle. Okay, and price closed below that candle, and that time price was trading below in this candle. Okay, price closed below this candle. I just ended manually from here. This was a aggressive trade. Okay, so I just put my stop loss above here, and my target, this was my first target. Okay, and next, and finally ATM low. Okay, this was the trend. Okay, then I just planned it. I ended here, and I just planned it. If price come here again, planning to add more position. Okay, you can see price didn't tag it, and first target, second target, and here I almost booked my 80 to 90% of the positions. Okay, and I just put my stop loss here. Okay, the reason is I got 5-minute inversion here. Okay, I just put my stop loss above that inversion, 5-minute of inversion. Okay, and very few quantity in hold. Okay, and price hit break even. This was my day. Okay, it was a tough day for me. Okay, but I just lost 2 trade and finally capitalized some sort of profit here. But this was a aggressive entry. Okay, yeah, that's all. Okay, then thank you. I hope you got some value from this content. Okay, so feel free to ask your doubts and all. Okay, thank you. We'll see you again. Bye.